8.6, staff's to provide a verbal update as to the progress and future plans to prevent wastewater infiltration and ongoing efforts to comply with the TCEQ agreement for clay pipe replacement. Mr. Kaufman?
Thank you, Mayor. This is just an informational report basically from our Public Works Director, Rick Crownover, about the progress that we're making on taking care of some I&I and other issues where we get rainwater into our system. So,
right.
Rick, if you would, just kind of give us a briefing of the progress we've made since we started identifying these problems a long time ago.
Sure will. Mayor, council members, Mr. Kaufman, thank you. Rick Crownover, Director of Public Works. What I'm about to give you is really coming off the sanitary sewer overflow agreement we have with the state, with TCEQ. We're in year 2 of that. The voluntary agreement we struck with the state. I'm going to start with the specifically upstream of lift station number 7. Staff has inspected 262 manholes. We've installed 70 new I&I lids to help prevent moisture from entering the manholes. We have repaired missing clean-out caps on residential services. We find these service line caps on regularity. We find a lot of them. We found last year alone, we found almost 3 dozen of them that were replaced. System-wide, we have cleaned 255,740 feet of sewer line. This is over 50% of all the sewer lines in the system, which is 420,000 feet. We have inspected with sewer camera 25,150 feet. We have inspected 945 manholes. This is over 50% of all the manholes in the system, as 1,614. All 43 lift stations are on a cleaning and inspection schedule, some weekly, monthly, etc. We have replaced 2,096 feet of clay pipe.
Oh.
We have rehabbed 6 corroded manholes. We have epoxy lined 30 manholes, and we continue to monitor and enforce the grease trap ordinance. Future plans. I might say staff is preparing to come forward really soon on this year as part of our agreement awarding 2,000 feet of pipelining, 30 manholes, and 5 rehab manholes in a certain section of the city. Just to remind council, this year we intend to replace the 2,000 feet of clay tile pipe. Council has budgeted for this and has done so every year. Clean 50% of the lines, that's 210,000 feet, and inspect 50 of the manholes. Epoxy line 30 manholes, maintain the grease trap pumping tickets, enforce the ordinances on business that are negligent on pumping and add grease digestion chemicals in the area that are prone to stoppages by this grease, and address any issues found during this process. And all future lift stations will be equipped with SCADA and flow meters. This will assist our operators in identifying these I&I problems. So we've been busy, and thanks to the budgeted money that you provide us, we will continue that. Be happy to answer any questions, Mayor.
Do we have questions? Comments? I have to say thank you. I appreciate the update, and if you could just give a little bit of elaboration on the drain pipes, open drain pipes, and the individuals' properties.
Well, a lot of times those will come off sometimes if somebody's service line will back up sometimes, and sometimes people take those off on purpose. Sometimes that wastewater is pretty good irrigation water, and so, you know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate the elaboration.
And they sometimes will drain their backyard.
That's right. They sure
So
will.
sometimes they got a puddle in their backyard they want to get rid of. So
That's right.
that goes right into our waste system.
Uh-huh.
It's illegal, but
It is.
And we don't size for that, correct? I mean,
no.
yeah, for an illegal act, no.
Yeah.
Correct. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Appreciate the gentlemen and ladies that work with you to make all this happen.
Thank you.
Thank you.